Aisling is a character that Sarah and I created about 10 years ago when we were living together in Stoneybatter. I guess you could say she's kind of an Irish stereotype, but a positive one. She's the girl you see walking really fast to work, wearing her Skechers runners, carrying her court shoes and her battered brown Thomas bag.
Aisling is the one who always writes "suits you" under pictures of women holding babies. She likes to have the willy straws at the hen nights.
Oh, can't have enough willy straws at a hen night.
She also likes to wear pink cowboy hats at large concerts.
Garth Brooks, her dream man.
Devastated that didn't happen.
We're gathered here today to remember our fallen brothers and sisters of the flagship A-Wear store on Grafton Street, which is no longer with us.
Aisling has come to this very location many times over the years to purchase some good going out tops, some very versatile dresses and some black bootcut work trousers.
Let's also remember Sasha of St Stephen's Green Shopping Centre, also no longer with us.
Another fallen soldier.
R.I.P.
In happier news, here we are at Bewleys on Grafton Street, an iconic location for Aislings and their mammies to stop mid-shop for a cup of tea and a bun.
It's reopening soon, much to Aisling's delight, and she'll be here on the 8th of December for that traditional Christmas cup of tea. And they do a lovely scone.
They do.
When Aisling's up in Dublin, she keeps the likes of McGowan's and her beloved Flannerys going. Her drink of choice on a night out, probably a cheeky pint of Coors Light.
You'll find her wearing her beloved GA jersey tucked into sensible navy, bootcut jeans, very slimming, and never a heel higher than a kitten heel.
Never. And then,
on to coppers! We couldn't finish a tour of Aisling's favourite Dublin hotspots without ending up here at her beloved Coppers.
It really is her spiritual home at the end of the day. And when she comes here, she moves on to vodka and Diet Cokes. Diet Cokes, not Fat Coke. Fewer points in Diet Coke.
If you enjoyed this tour of Dublin with Aisling, you will certainly enjoy our book, Oh My God, What a Complete Aisling, available in all good bookshops now.
Stunning, said the Boston Globe. Remarkable, said the Washington Post.
Shut up, said the New York Times.